My name is Gary LaMorte, and I am the founder of Honest Hospitality Team, a full-spectrum management and consulting agency. This dish is sterling caviar sturgeon wrapped over poached burdock root, grated daikon, and apple. One of the techniques we use to ensure consistency with this dish is sous vide of the burdock root. It's peeled, rinsed, marinated, and cooked for 90 minutes. This dish is Cuisine Solutions Sous Vide Octopus. We've rinsed, dried, and skewered the octopus to maintain the shape and prepare it for cooking. The octopus is grilled with extra virgin olive oil, fresh lemon, and sea salt. The purees on the plate are a roasted sweet potato and ají panca, as well as a roasted white yam with ají amarillo. These are garnished respectively with urfa biber pepper, black lava salt, mint oil, and charred romano beans. Served over leche de tigre of purple cabbage with ginger. The barrage and foliage is courtesy of Desert Bloom Farms. The Cuisine Solution octopus, tender, extremely consistent, completely cooked, but still maintains the integrity of the octopus. This dish features Cuisine Solutions 3-bone braised beef short rib. We chose to prepare 3 different dishes to really showcase the capacity of the protein. We're featuring a chili roasted with Korean chilies and toasted sesame, a black garlic and barley miso braised, and a katsu beef rib with fried onion, katsu sauce. On the side we have fermented kimchi's, fresh uni with daikon and shiso. The braised beef short rib is ready to eat out of the bag, yet prepared in a manner that still allows to accentuate that basic preparation.